A video goes viral showing a woman cooking salmon in a dishwasher. The woman starts by taking a sheet of aluminum foil and laying lemon slices on it. She positions a salmon fillet on top of them. After that, she put some more lemon slices followed by fresh herbs, garlic, and butter. Seasoned it with salt and pepper, wrapping it tightly in aluminum foil. Then she placed it on the top rack of dishwasher, where temperature set at 145 degrees. Look what people have to say. Words can't describe the face I made during this video. Whoever has a dishwasher also has an oven. Wow, what a great way to waste water and electricity.